Hello everyone, welcome back to another Fostermans video. This one's a daily update. If you want to see them live, you go inside the Discord. It's completely free, and if not, then they're posted on YouTube anyway. So let's get right into this. You can see here that we have not hit the POC from earlier yet. Okay, so we had this New York naked POC, right? And it hasn't been hit yet. So waiting on this to get hit and then seeing how we're reacting. But if London starts to deviate pretty far away from this POC, then, you know, this New York is starting to look more like maybe we could tap London and then get a move up. If not, then we'll see how we react here. We might just slice through and then go to here, okay? Because a lot of people might be expecting London now. So if they're expecting London to hold, well then these New York ones, once they're all stopped out, and once they're all out of their positions, then we can move higher. So hopefully seeing something like that. But another thing that could happen is, you know, we come up to around this area. We could literally come up right now, just the daily open, retest that, retest here, retest here, retest here, and then go up. Maybe something like that. We could also go something like this, okay? Where we just retest this, test here, not a lot of volume comes in, no action, and then we can start to reverse, test the retest, or take the retest, sorry. So I think that you know, that's a really clean setup for most people, especially for the daily bias builder. It's a really nice one. We can then go, I would say, just we'll scroll through each of these. Okay, so let's wait. I can turn off footprint as well because it doesn't really matter. So you can see right now, like we're just hitting the POC. So the daily POC, we're hitting the previous month VWAP. You know, there's a lot of levels we're testing right now, so maybe seeing this move up. 48 minutes until the close for the 4 hour as well, so that's not too bad either. Maybe closing around here, getting a test, and then going up. That would actually be really nice. Right, okay, so there's the kind of setup on the monthly, okay, for like the larger time frame. Weekly, we're actually hitting the top of this standard deviation band, which is pretty nice. Seeing something, you know, hitting like this, and then down, and then up. Something like that would actually be a nice scenario. Okay, but this is all relative to how I react to the footprint chart, okay? So all these levels don't mean nothing unless we hit the footprint chart. Unless we have the footprint chart and we hit a level and it all makes sense, right? It has to make sense. The trade has to make sense. It has to align with biases. It's just, you know, there's a lot of confluences that you would need to then take a setup. When you're putting your own money on the line here, this is what matters, right? Again, hit this daily open around the lows of value, okay? So you know what, it is giving a lot of you know, precursors to going higher, but waiting until we get this a higher probability trade, okay? So that would be you know, waiting, okay? So sitting on your hands and waiting until something happens, okay? Like this is no man's land, okay? I'm not taking a buy, I'm not taking a sell, I'm waiting. So if we come to here, I'll take a trade if it gives the good okay, so these ones right here, I'll just put this up: trap traders, absorption, delta turning, range point control. If we had all those sort of things, then I'll be looking for a trade. Obviously these can change as well, right? So this is just my main setup, like that I'll trade day in, day out or whatever. But you know, we could hit this level and then we might not get any of these things, right? We might not get any of these things, but the other confluence is just so powerful where, you know, you'd be silly not to take it, right? Especially if it happens very, very few and far between. So definitely look at this, see if we hit this level, what's going to happen. You know, we could just go up right now from these highs and then just completely break those highs, right? And then we're looking at new levels, okay? So, you know, we're looking at new levels, a new beast to tackle. You know, that's the saying: new levels, new devils. You know what I mean? So a new level, it's a whole new setup, it's a whole new way to look at the market. So, you know, just seeing where we're going from now, see what happens when New York opens and all that sort of stuff. But quick daily update. Hopefully this was very informative for all you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.